Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create avatar on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To get the new avatar feature, make sure you have updated your Instagram app to the newest available version. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, go to Settings. Then select Account. Here you will find the new feature, Avatars. Tap on it. Now tap on Get Started. You can personalize your avatar to make it look like you. Scroll down, and select the skin tone you would like your avatar to have. Then tap on Next. Now you can choose a hairstyle. Scroll down, and select short, medium, or long to see the type of hairstyles you prefer. Tap the next icon to see hair color options. To move on, tap through the rest of the icons to change your avatar's face shape, face markings, and face lines. Go through the rest of the options, from where you can select bindi, eyewear, body type, outfit, and many more. When you are all done and happy with how your avatar looks, tap on Done from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap on Save Changes. That's it. Your avatar has been updated. Tap on Next. So in this way, you can create avatar on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.